Hello, in this super short, super quick, super easy tutorial, I'm going to show you how to stake your Ruby in a pool on RubySwap so that you can earn rewards simply for holding Ruby. That's right. All you got to do is hold Ruby, stake it in the pool, and you will earn rewards. I'm going to show you this in 60 seconds. Sign into your RubySwap, or sign in, go to the RubySwap exchange website, go down here to pools, click on pools. There's manual Ruby. Over time, there'll be more and more tokens that you can stake as the DeFi area, industry, party on eGem grows. We're going to do Ruby for now. I'm going to click on enable. I'm going to drag this down here and click on confirm. The fees are absolutely tiny, so there's no real need to worry about that. You must have some eGem in your wallet, but it's pretty difficult to have absolutely none. Once that's confirmed, you will then be offered to stake. I'm going to stake the maximum. So I'm going to stake all 2.074 of my Ruby into the staking pool. I'm going to click confirm. I'm going to scroll down here and I'm going to click on confirm. It really is that simple. I think that was less than 60 seconds. Sending the message to the blockchain now. As you can see in the background, it's actually already confirmed. Then MetaMask catches up and says confirmed. That's hidden by my face, but down there's a little thing. And then RubySwap itself will tell you that your funds have been staked in the pool. Then you'll be earning Ruby every single block. Obviously, I'm only staking 2 Ruby, so my earnings are going to go up very slow. When you want to collect your Ruby, just click on the collect button. You can either compound it, which means send it so that it's on top of the Ruby that you've already got, or you can harvest it. Let me see if I can harvest this. I don't know if I'll be able to harvest this. It might be too small. Looks like it's going to let me. So even though it says 0.00, we know by looking here, we've actually got 0.0002. So we've tried to collect that. Um, when you've got a normal amount, it will work. With 0.0002, it may or it may not work. Oh, it looks like it's been confirmed. So actually it did work. So your Ruby earnings have been sent to your wallet. So let me see if I do have 0.0001. Indeed, I do. Slightly more than that. But, yes, the Ruby earnings got sent to my wallet, and now I can see them. So yeah, staking Ruby is really very easy. There's not really anything you need to worry about. When you want to compound it, you have to compound it yourself by clicking on collect and then clicking compound. And that's about it. I've been Cryptosi, and these have been the tutorials for RubySwap. So thank you very much, and good luck earning those rewards.